Hi guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to screen record on a DS, Vita, or anything, just using a box, pen, and scissors. Not even that much. See, it's really good. It's a kind of crappy though, but yeah, I can't afford a thing. Yeah, I'm trying to because I want to buy one. So let's get right to it. What you'll need is your pen to trace the line. Right there is your pen to trace the line. You're going to need your scissors for tracing the line. And cut it with your thing. Like that. Then that you put your phone or thing, which I'm using my phone right now, and you turn on your DS. And you zoom in, you get a gameplay. It's gonna be dark in the background. Kinda want darkness in the background, but make sure your space is about this big, so you can have your hands fit in. And my box. So here goes something else you can add. With your scissors, turn your back around, and then use a charger port. Someone's about to die. You just plug it up right there, and then it'll still be going on, and then go like that. So yeah, so smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and I am out.